Hey guys, alam kong matagal nang hindi uso to. Okay? So, this is the flavor Romeo V2 Yakult flavor. Watermelon Yakult. Grabe, sarap. If ever makakahanap pa kayo nito, tapos okay yung batch, it's maybe highly recommended. Sayang lang talaga, hindi nagtagal. Nagka-problema siguro sila sa import license. So, not sure. Maybe kinulang sa lagay. Isa pa. Suabe. I really hope makahanap pa kayo nito and maayos na batch yung makuha nyo. This was endorsed by Kong TV way back. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Ano nangyari dito. Flavor Romeo V2 Yakult.